In this video, we'll show you how to read from a data source and write data to a target endpoint using the INFACore Read and Write functions in JupyterLab. We'll also see how to read and write data in a single operation using the provision functionality. And we'll configure advanced source and target attributes for the read and write operations. Let's begin. First, we'll perform a read operation to read data from a source. For example, Snowflake. Click the read function and then select the data source and the configured connection from the list. Then enter the Snowflake object name and path where you want to read data from. Next, we'll use the toPandas function to convert the Informatica data frame into a pandas data frame. Enter the variable name as table, which was used in the previous code to collect the data. Table stores the output of the read-collect function. Now let's print the results. The read operation is complete and you can see the fetched data. Converting data into a pandas data frame allows you to use the native pandas data frame functions. For example, let's use the split function to split the string values of the name column that you fetched into two parts, first name and last name. When you run the code, the output shows the first name and last name columns. INFACore also offers the fromPandas function to convert the native pandas data frame to an Informatica data frame. Now let's use the write function to write data to a target. In this example, we'll use a Snowflake target table. Select the target data source, the connection, and the Snowflake target object path to write the data. When the code runs, the data is written to the Snowflake endpoint. Now we'll show you how to use the provision function to configure the read and write operations in a single action. The provision function is ideal when you want faster execution without adding intermediate transformations between the read and write operations. Select the data source, the connection, and the data object to read data from. Then enter the target endpoint, the connection, and the data object where you want to write the data. Run the code to write the results. You can configure additional attributes that the INFACore SDK offers for the read and write operations. We'll use the existing code added by the provision function and enter the required advanced attributes for the read and write operations. In this operation, we add an override to the database, schema and warehouse, role, and table name in both the read and write operations. When you run the code, the data is written to the endpoint and the results appear in the code. And that's it! Now you can perform read and write operations easily with just a few clicks using INFACore in JupyterLab. Be sure to check out our other videos about how to perform tasks in INFACore. For more information, see the JupyterLab extension for INFACore guide on the Informatica documentation portal. Visit our communities and support hubs, or check out our website.